Yes, this is our PP filters, and yeah, we can customize the micron for you. We can produce five micron and 10 micron and 20 micron, any micron you want. So, and about the size, we also can customize for you. We have 10-inch and 20-inch, and can customize their size. Also can customize their size for you. And we also can customize their logo for you. So
print the logo on the surface.
Yeah.
And for the PP filters, I think our advantage is we design them by 100% food grade raw material. So it means the high dirt capacity, holding capacity, and the micron rate we can make them the three micron rate for the different layers.
Yes.
For the PP filters, we have the 3 layers. The outer layers we make it about 40 micron rate, and this one can block the big dirt in the water. And the middle one is the middle layer is about 20 micron rate. For the 20 micron rate, we can block some smaller dirts in the water.